Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what you should do if your dog is lost? Let's explore. If your dog is lost, the first step is to search the immediate area. Call your dog's name in a calm voice and bring along their favorite toy or treats to help attract them. If your dog does not respond, start alerting neighbors and asking if anyone has seen your dog. Use social media and local community groups to post about the missing dog, including a recent photo and your contact information. It is important to contact local animal shelters, veterinarians, and pet rescue groups, as they may have information about recently found dogs. Many dogs are taken to shelters after being found wandering. If your dog is microchipped, make sure the information is up to date, as this increases the chances of your dog being returned if found by someone else. Put up posters in your neighborhood and around common walking areas. Include a clear photo, a brief description, and contact details. Do not give up the search quickly, as lost dogs can sometimes wander for days or hide in unfamiliar places. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.